Was I clubbing with my baby father yesterday? Yes. Did I got down yesterday? Absolutely, baby.
What is going on? What is going on?
I'm not gonna put my y'all can use y'all rolls on New Year's Eve. I need some on New Year's Eve. I feel like we was vibing yesterday. We had a good time. We was henny down.
Happy it's 2024.
And she gets that divorce certificate because they've played in our faces way too many times. She's the girl who cried wolf or lion or whatever right now. You can't believe any of these stories. It's like this girl is famous but will do anything for a publicity stunt. It just doesn't make sense. Or we can officially say Cardi B and Offset's relationship is toxic. Some of her fans are getting annoyed with the drama that is never ending. That's why Quavo from Migos called them out, said, leave Takeoff's name out of your never-ending soap opera marriage. This is exactly what he meant, and I bet you we don't even know half of it. I bet you Quavo has seen a lot. Some of her fans are getting annoyed. They are calling their relationship toxic, and they are wondering, why do you always have to run to social media? You overshare. And then when people ask you about the things you told them, you start going off and disrespecting your fans.
Shut the fuck up! About to delete my whole fucking social media because y'all don't shut the fuck up. And it's the same fucking dump, my own fucking fan base. The last time I got dragged was because my fucking fan base. I don't see nobody talking shit but my own fucking fan base. But y'all want to send me a fucking book just to talk shit on the fucking timeline. Did I confirm all this with a man? No. So why the fuck y'all keep talking? Leave me the fuck alone.
But anyway, so let's get into this Cardi B drama that is never ending. So, Cardi B and Offset are back together. My opinion. She may claim they are not, they are because they're moving like a couple. I know couples do fight, back and forth, on and off. Cardi B is not the one who's going to leave Offset in this relationship. If this relationship ever ends, it will be when Offset decides to walk away, not when Cardi B says so.
Let's talk about the order.
The girl is crazy in love with him, and she clearly told us he just doesn't respect her or doesn't understand her or doesn't care for her feelings, but somehow she keeps taking him back. He does her wrong, she takes him back, and therefore he doesn't learn anything. He doesn't learn how to treat her or how she wants to be treated.
Yo, this motherfucker really likes to play games with me when I'm at my most vulnerable time. When I'm not the most confident. He likes to play games with me because he knows I'm not an easy girl. He knows yesterday I could have been out, I could have been chilling, I could have been this and that. He knows I'm in my house. He knows that I'm chilling. He knows I'm not doing the most. And I've really been sparing you. You've been fucking feeling yourself, you bitch ass nigga, because of your bitch ass album and shit. And you really been fucking doing me dirty after so many fucking years that I motherfucking helped your ass. Not even a fucking thank you that I got for your bitch ass. And it's so crazy that I gotta go to the fucking internet because whenever I tell you something, you don't take shit seriously.
So, December, November, she tells us they're separated. I've been single for a minute. Then, Christmas Day, they are seen together. People ask her about it. She goes off on her fans. She says, just because I spent Christmas with him doesn't mean I'm back with him. We did it for the kids. Understandable, right? It's good for the kids. Okay, great.
Huh? Did I confirm anything? Shut the fuck up! About to delete my whole fucking social media because y'all don't shut the fuck up. And it's the same fucking dump, my own fucking fan base. The last time I got dragged was because my fucking fan base. I don't see nobody talking shit but my own fucking fan base. But y'all want to send me a fucking book just to talk shit on the fucking timeline. Did I confirm all this with a man? No. So why the fuck y'all keep talking? Leave me the fuck alone. The fuck? Shut the fuck up. Stupid fucking unfollow all of y'all, cause that's all I see. Y'all talking shit on my timeline. I'm searching my name. I'm trying to see anybody else talking shit. Nobody else talking shit but y'all. So shut the fuck up. All over my shit. Shut up. Y'all heard something out of my mouth? Did y'all heard that I'm back with a nigga out my mouth? No. Shit is fucking annoying. For fucking 3 days, y'all been doing the same shit. Did I say I was back together with somebody? Did I say that? Did y'all heard that? Did I say it? Did he say it? No. No, Ken Barbie texted me. No, tell me to calm down. I told you to tell him, leave me the fuck alone.
Then, a few days after Christmas, again, they're seen together. So people are kind of confused. Isn't this the guy you were belittling, going off of on the internet? Your fans were with you, attacking Offset. Now here you are again. Once again, this happens in relationships, right? But she brings it to the public. So,
Did I got down yesterday? Absolutely, baby.
they are 1,000,001 voices that have an opinion. It is what it is. You can't get mad if you're the one bringing the information to the masses. I did a video 2 weeks ago letting you know they both had performances for New Year's Eve at the same hotel at the same time, just different clubs within the same hotel. So then comes New Year's Eve. They do their performances separately.
Nothing in this world that I love more than culture. Oh, hey, hi, baby. Let's still get it poppin'. There's a lot of people in the back. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing over there?
We're doing it for the ladies, man.
Let me hear you say yeah. Happy, it's 2024. I need some Hennessy right now.
Yeah, let's get some Henny right now.
Give me a shot right now.
Henny right now, shot.
Give me a shot right now. Who got some liquor for me?
And we need everybody in this motherfucker to take a shot with you too, Cardi. If they ain't got their shot,
Let's take a shot right now.
Let's take a fucking shot right now.
Right now. I need some liquor right now.
It's 2024.
I'm not performing until I get a shot right now.
I'm telling you.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna lay down right here until I get my shot. Where's my shot?
After they are done with the performances, according to Cardi B, you're going to hear her explain it. They were at a strip club, sitting in different sections, and she was just like, okay, this doesn't look good. Tell him to come over. There was a video of them clubbing together, having fun. Great, right? You should have left it there. We saw you with Offset. It makes sense. This is a guy you share your children with. This is the father of your kids. Okay. Instead, she takes to the internet and overshares once again, telling us what they did in the bedroom and why she needed to be did down. And we were like, okay, but did we need to know all of that? And then when things go wrong, you're gonna go off on your fans as you usually do. You invited us in. Let's listen to what Cardi B had to say.
Was I clubbing with my baby father yesterday? Yes. Did I got dick down yesterday? Absolutely, baby. I'm not gonna put my... Y'all can use your rose on New Year's Eve. I need some dick on New Year's Eve. I feel like we was vibing yesterday. We had a good time. We was henny down. We was both in the same club. And it's like, it was just really awkward. Like, I'm in my section. He's in his section. It's like, man, just fucking come over here. Like, let's just chill. We're having a good time. But I feel at the point of where we at in our relationship, we've been together for 7 years. We've been married for 7 years. The answer, I don't consider that we're back together, because the answer of getting back together is not a good night at the club and fucking the night long. We need to work on our shit. We need to work on our communication. There's things that he got to work on. There's things that I got to work on. And I feel like until we don't work, until we work that out, I don't feel like we're back together. I feel like we love each other. I love Offset and he loves me. But we've been together for such a long time. And we've been, my bad guys, I'm fucking well, I want to cough, but I don't want to, that's kind of gross, coughing on my phone. Like, we've been together for a long time. And just like the Summer Walker song, like, sometimes we don't want to throw it away, but I just feel like, a night at the club, vibing, chilling, drinking, that's when we have such, that doesn't solve the issues. You know what I'm saying? That doesn't solve the issues. It's a fun night, then guess what? The next day we arguing. The next day I'm blocking. Then next thing you know, we ain't talking for 4 days. I don't want to keep that cycle going, because we've been together for such a long time. We don't want to keep that cycle going. So I feel like we're at a point right now that it's like, do we talk? Yes. Are we a home? No, we're not a home, because we're not together. We're working on each other. Sometimes we never gave each other space. That's the thing. We have never, no matter how much we break up, make up, we have never given each other space. And I feel like we're in a point in a relationship that we're testing the space. We never did therapy. We just did 2 therapy sections. So that's another thing that we're doing. And that's why I'm saying we're not together until we work out our issues. We're not going to be together. If it goes well, then we will be back together. If it doesn't go well, then it doesn't go well. But I always want to keep a healthy relationship. We want to keep a healthy relationship. I do want to keep a healthy...
Once again, did we really need to know that about what happened in the bedroom, your private matters? No, it was not necessary. You should have said, yes, I spent time with Offset, and we would have been fine, because we already know you guys are back. You just don't know how to explain this. Was there even really a breakup? This begs the question that so many people have been asking. Is it a coincidence that Cardi B's drama with Offset happened when Nicki Minaj released her album?
This whole breakup shit was just to take the spotlight off Nicki for a minute.
I do think it's timely.
But the other report was that this is not the first time that they've broken up, that they've been living separately.
See, that's some girly report shit. We don't know where that comes from or how substantial that is. That's just somebody saying that.
How substantial is that? What Parks just said.
This was just speculation.
Thank you.
Which part?
The fact that this all happened to pop up around Nicki's release to potentially take
the wind out of her
shine.
sails.
Yeah. That's some valid speculation. That's valid speculation.
It's 2023. People.
The story right before this was how this industry is and how foul it could be and some of the tricks people play. That was the story before this.
Well, I know, but the reason why what I just said relates to what Parks just said is because people had the reaction. They were like, oh, this is cap because Nicki's album's coming out and you want to take the shine away from her. So then the next thing that came out was, no, this has been an ongoing thing. They've been separate. They've been living separate lives to justify that this is not just a ploy. That was why it came out.
That would actually make it more of a ploy to me. If we've been separated, living separate lives,
why is it now just coming out?
Why is it news now? Why is it now? Why are we now going public and making this a thing?
Agreed.
So yeah, that would actually make me more think that this would be a ploy.
It is time.
We really don't even know what the problem was. It is none of our business. It's so strange that Cardi B screams to her fans, mind your business, then goes ahead and tells us her business. Like what? It is our business. If you share it, it is our business. So once again, is it a coincidence or was it planned that this Cardi B drama happened at the same time that Nicki Minaj released her album? We need you to work it out, but it's starting to look a little iffy. Anyway, she said, as you guys heard, that they're going to go to counseling. That's the first place you should have gone to instead of coming to social media. We love mess on social media. We can't help you. We love the drama. Even the fans that love the drama, it's like, Cardi B, this is too much, okay? Dial it back a little bit. It's starting to get annoying. Anyway, guys, what do you guys think? Do you believe they're not back together? Do you think this was done just to mess with Nicki Minaj's album rollout? Anyway, whatever the case, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Until the next one. Bye.